Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anil, and in this Laravel video tutorial we will learn about the middleware. What is the middleware, type of it, how we can make it, how we can apply it, everything that you need to know, right? And at the last I will ask you an interview question. You can attempt this interview question in the comment box also. Question is, first of all, what is middleware? Middleware is basically a piece of code that can filter out the user request. For example, login. So if user is logged in, then he can access our complete website. Otherwise he cannot access all pages rather than the login page, right? So in this case, middleware is very helpful. What is actually middleware do? Middleware just make a condition for a user that he can access only one page, and it will just make a restriction on the 99 pages, right? And we don't need to write the code for the all 99 pages. We can just write the code on a single file and it will apply automatically on the all pages, right? Similar thing you can do with the age. So let's say you just want to check that if user age is 20, then he can access our website, otherwise he cannot access the website, right? With the similar case, middleware will just filter out the age, and if user is not valid age, then he can throw it out also, right? So now let's see the example of the age, that how we can apply it. First of all, I am just going to make some pages. So let's say just yep guys, one more thing, that middleware actually the three of types. So one is the global middleware, another one is the routed, and the grouped middleware. In this video we will talk about the global middleware, routed, and the grouped middleware. We will just learn them in the next upcoming videos. So now first of all, I'm just going to make some views. We already have a view, the user.blade.php, and I'm just going to make some more pages like home.blade.php. Then we can make one more like no access .blade.php, right? And here I'm just going to put here a condition like you cannot access our website, right? Simply. And in the home I can just make some another text like this is home page, right? And this is the user page. This is user page. That's okay for a moment. Now what I will do, I will check the age. If user is have the 18 plus, then he can access the all pages, otherwise he will redirected on the you cannot access our website page, right? So now let's create a middleware. Just go to the command line, clear out it, just write here php artisan make middleware, and we can put a middleware name, let's say age check or something. Hit the enter. Now you can see that our middleware is ready inside the http model middleware and here, right? So first of all, we need to apply it. How we can apply it? For that, you just need to go in the kernel.php, and you can just put this middleware register here. So you can register in the one of the three array, like you can access register it in the global for the global middleware, this is for the routed middleware, and at the last this is for the routed middleware, and the second one for the grouped middleware. So in this video we will talk about a global, then we will just simply write it here, right? So and just right here is check. My bad, is check, right? And this is our middleware name. You can just check it out here. So what is the difference between global and grouped and routed middleware? Global middleware are applied on complete website at a single time, grouped middleware are applied on some specific pages, like we have a 20 pages and we want to apply the middleware on the 10 pages, and the routed middleware will be applied on a single route at a time, right? So this is our global middleware, so it will be accessible on the all pages, right? So when we are just on the middleware, we can just write our code inside this handle function. So for a moment, let's just write here some text like h1 tag or something, right? And just put here this text from middleware, right? And our middleware is applied. So now let's try to access it. Okay, so I just forgot to put here semicolons. Now you can see that we are able to see here, and we are able to see on the other routes also. Let's define the other routes in the fab.php, like here, right? So let's define 2 more routes. This is for the user. We can just comment the previous one, users. This is for the home, and we will load our home.play.php on here, and no access for the no access page, right? So now let's try to access the home here. Now you can see that this is on the home also, this is on the user also. So that means this is simply global middleware, right? So but we did not put the condition yet, put here the condition here yet. So let's put a condition, just remove it, we don't need it. And what I'm just going to check now, I'm just going to check if user age is less than 18, let's say 10, then there should be it should be return the no access page, otherwise we are able to access the website, right? So now let's simply go here and put here if $request will just provide the access of that we have some request or not, is if the age request is present, and as well as if $request age is less than 18, then we will return redirect, and we can put here simply no access page, right? So now let's try to see it. Okay, age is not defined. Wow, let me check. Yep, actually I need to make it arrow here, and now let's see. Now you can see that we are on the no access page. So if I'm just going to access on the home and I'm putting my age is let's say 40. Okay, my bad, I need to use request like this. Then we are able to access the home page, and if I just want to access the home page on age of 14, then we are not able to access. Same with the home. And age is let's say 32, we can access it. This is home page, and if our age is let's say 10, then we cannot access this page. So similar with case with happen with the user also. So this is example of the middleware. If you still have any kind of question, you can ask me in the comment box. In the next video we will learn about the grouped middleware as well as in the routed middleware also. So that's all for a moment. And alright, so now my question is, can we just simply write here the conditions in the middleware, or we can also apply some logic also here? So just let me answer of this question in the comment box, and bye bye for a moment.